So in this video, we're going to show you how to draw this here coffee mug, and you can put any design or logo that you want on the front of it. So over here to OnShape, create document, call it coffee mug. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to hit sketch and you're going to click on the front plane because you want to draw it on the front plane. You can hit N, you can hit front here, or you can hit. So next what you're going to do, you're going to draw a line. Make sure you go right into the center here. Click on that there when it goes orange. Drag the line out any length at all, and then straight up like this here. Next, you're going to dimension. We're going to dimension this here to 40, and this one here to 100. Okay, if you hit F on your keyboard, it'll bring it in nicely so we can see it. Next, we're going to find this offset or O on your keyboard, and you're going to offset this line to 5, so it's already done first. Perfect. And again, you're going to offset this line here. Now, if yours is going out this way, you simply just have to bring it back over here. And then when it asks you for the dimension, type in 5. 5. There we go. Now, what we don't want is these two lines down here. So you're going to hit M on your keyboard or trim. All right, so M for trim. And you're going to get rid of that there little line there and that little line there. Finally, you're going to hit L for line, and you're going to join that there to there. And you're going to join that to there. So you can see the way then you've enclosed the space and you've given it, it's changed the color on the inside. Over here now, we're going to hit revolve. All right, and it's automatically put in this shape that we want to revolve. And next it's asking, what do we want to revolve it around? And it's this little line down here. And automatically it's revolving that there around this exact shape we've just drawn. So next, what we'll do is, next what we're going to do now is we're going to actually suppress this here. So hit suppress. And we're going to look in the front plane. That means it's just going to get rid of that there. So we can see now when we sketch this here on this front plane, we're going to pick 3 point. Now, we're going to make sure we don't want it coming inside the cup. So we want to click it somewhere in the middle of that there. I'm not going to make any dimensions for this as such. All right. We're just going to look at it and we're going to see what looks right. We'll draw a line now straight down here. And escape and line. Okay, and then again, 3 point. So click here, bring that out till it looks nice. Okay, next then, we're going to extrude. Now, the key to this is, see the way the handle is all going out in one way. But if we hit symmetric, it's going to go each side of the line. And we'll green, now we'll make this maybe 10. Green, take that there. And if we go back to our revolve, right click on it, unsuppress, and now we've completed our mug. What we might do is go up here to fillet. We might just round some of these edges here, maybe 1 millimeter. Yeah, and do the same with the handle as well. So fillet here and here as well. Okay, just to give that a bit more of a smooth edge in it. So next what you have to do now is you have to go on to Google. Next what you're going to do now for me then, so you're going to Google. And you're going to type in the image IRFU logo. So whatever you're interested in, whatever your hobby is, you look for that there. Next you're going to right click on the one that you want. This one here maybe. And you're going to save image as. Now it's very important that down here it says JPEG. In some cases it's going to come up as a web page, which is no good to us. We're going to save that there now as logo and save it into your downloads and click save. Okay, back to OnShape. And You're going to hit sketch, and you're going to hit this face here, okay, because that's where we want to draw it on. What you're going to do now is you're going to go up here and you're going to type in decal, decal. Click on that there. And first of all, it's asking where do you want to draw it? And you want to draw it on the face of the cup. Then it's going to ask you to select the image. Now, your image is not there, so you're going to go into imports. You're going to find that you're going to go to downloads. And there's your logo. And click on that there. And if it's worked out, your logo should appear here. And you're going to click on the logo, and it should appear then on the face of your cup. Green tick that there. So now you've got your logo on your cup. What you might want to do is right click there then and edit appearance and try and get the cup as close a color to the logo that you've drawn in, and that is the completed mug.